Good morning and welcome to another episode of Upgrade Show. I'm your host today. My name is Anggita Fahira, and today we are diving into an exciting topic is incredibly relevant for anyone who is aspiring to become a successful teacher in the 21st century. We'll be discussing the importance of digital teaching media and how the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang is helping future teachers like you succeed. Today we have three distinguished guests who are professional teachers from renowned senior high schools, and they are all alumni of the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang. They're here to share their experience and tips on how to become a successful and professional teacher, especially in this era of technology. Let's meet our guests. First up, let me introduce you our first guest, Miss Emmy. She is a teacher at Lab School Upgris and has been teaching for 10 years. And welcome, Miss Emmy.
Thank you, Miss Angita, for having me. It's a great time to be here.
Okay, and then next we have Miss Tribuana, a teacher at Lab School Upgris who specializes in English. Welcome, Miss Tribuana.
Thank you, Miss Anggita. I'm really excited to be part of this conversation.
You're welcome. And last but certainly not least, we have Miss Mira, an experienced teacher at Lab School Upgris who has also been integrating digital teaching media in their classroom. Welcome, Miss Mira.
Thank you, Miss Anggita. It's an honor to be here today.
Yes, let's start by talking about your journey. How has your background in the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang helped shape you into the successful teacher you are today?
Well, I can honestly say that the program really set me up for success. The curriculum, especially in the focus on teaching media, helped me build practical skills that I could directly apply in the classroom. I never imagined I would be able to create engaging learning materials so easily until I took the teaching media course.
What about you, Mr. Buana?
I completely agree. The knowledge I gain from course like teaching media, where we learn to use apps like Kahoot, Canva, Bamboozle, Live Worksheet, and Storyboard, has transformed how I interact with my students. These tools makes listen too much for engaging and interactive.
Okay, and what about you, Miss Mira?
Exactly, and as teacher, it's important that we stay relevant and up to date with current technologies. The program really prepared me to use digital media creatively, which I now use to enhance my student learning experience.
Wow, great to hear. Now let's talk about the specific tools you mentioned. Can you share your thoughts on the effectiveness of these digital teaching media tools? How do they enhance your teaching?
Absolutely. I think the best part about this tool is how versatile they are. For instance, Kahoot is great for quizzes and makes learning fun for students. I can test their knowledge while keep them engaged with the game-like environment. However, it is important to use it strategically, as overuse can make it feel repetitive.
Are you agree, Mr. Buana?
I agree. When we talk about Canva, it's amazing for creating visually appealing lesson slides and teaching materials. The design feature and easy to use, and it helps bring my lessons to life. But on the flip side, it does require time to get accustomed to all the features.
Oh, and then what about you, Miss Mira?
Bamboozle, on the other hand, is great for collaborative activities and interactive games. I found that it helps students retain information better through teamwork. Live Worksheet is excellent for assignment that students can complete online, and it provides instant feedback. Storyboard is perfect for creative writing exercise where students can create their own story with illustration.
Alright, it sounds like these tools are really powerful. But you have to rank these five tools in terms of effectiveness for enhancing student learning. How would you rank them?
I would rank Kahoot first because it is so interactive and can help students learn in fun way. After that, I put Canva for creating professional teaching materials, followed by Bamboozle for collaborative activities, and then Storyboard would become next, and Life Worksheet would be the last. But it is still extremely useful for assignments.
Oh, are you agree with Miss Amy, Mr. Buana?
I agree with the ranking. However, I would switch live worksheet and storyboard position. Storyboard is fantastic for creative exercise, but live worksheet is crucial for providing interactive and immediate feedback on student performance. So I'd say it's slightly more effective in terms of practical use.
Wow, that's amazing. And what about you, Miss Mira?
I will keep the ranking mostly the same but perhaps move Canva up as it allows for the creation of high quality visual content that can be used across many teaching materials. It's really versatile.
Okay, for our listeners who aspiring teachers, especially those in high school who are considering pursuing a career in teaching, what advice would you give them regarding teaching media and choosing the right program to pursue?
My advice is to choose a program that not only focuses on theory but also provides hands-on experience with teaching media. And then the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang is one of the best in this regard. The skill you gain from courses like teaching media will be invaluable in your career.
Okay, and then what about you, Mr. Buana? Are you agree with Miss Amy?
I agree. The ability to effectively use digital tools in the classroom is a hook adventure in today's world. If you want to be a professional teacher who's ahead of the curve, I highly recommend it for studying at Universitas PGRI Semarang.
Alright, and then Miss Mira, what do you think?
Definitely, the program's emphasis on both teaching theory and practical skill makes it stand out. You'll not only become a knowledgeable teacher but also someone who can integrate modern technology into lesson, which is a key to success in this field.
That's amazing, Miss Mira. Thank you so much to Miss Amy, Miss Ribuana, and Miss Mira for sharing your insights and experience.
My pleasure.
Alright, it's clear that the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang provides an excellent foundation for future teachers. And I'm sure many aspiring teachers will find this podcast inspiring. To all of our listeners, if you're considering a career in teaching, particularly in English education, I highly encourage you to explore the opportunities at Universitas PGRI Semarang. The program not only prepares you to be a teacher, but a professional who excels in today's fast-changing educational landscape. Thanks for tuning into the Upgrade Show. Stay tuned for our next episode. And remember, teaching is not a job, it's a passion. and see you in the next episode.